Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at Finance for Kids Part 4 and we are going to be looking at assets and liabilities. Assets are the physical properties which we touch, hold and possess. For example, our houses, our stocks, our cars, etc. And when we talk about liabilities, they're actually the money borrowed by someone. For example, we have student loan, credit card debt, mortgage, or stuff like that. So, I have a common question for you guys. Is an asset for you a liability for someone else? Yeah, it's certainly possible. An asset for you is like you lend somebody some money as a loan. That's an asset for you, but they are in debt, so that is a liability for them. It is certainly possible. And the next is that so assets decrease or appreciate in value. That actually depends upon your asset, because assets usually decrease and increase in value. For example, if you have a house or a stock, they actually increase or decrease in value. They might be increasing or decreasing in value, because that depends upon your house and your stock. But when it comes to a car or stuff like that, when you sell a car after 5 to 6 years, they actually decrease in value. That is this thing. So in this video, I hope you all understood about assets and liabilities. I'll see you guys tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. It's me Ashwin from It's Me Ashwin signing off. Bye.